Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am showing you Goan chicken sukha, or you can say like dry semi gravy or very dry chicken, okay, with our Goan sambar homemade masala, and very easy. So let's start the marination. First is salt. This is 1 kg of chicken. I've cut it into small pieces. So marination with 2 teaspoons of salt, and this is around 1, 2, like 3 of this size teaspoon. This is not tablespoon, okay, teaspoon, medium size of ginger garlic paste, and we will add vinegar for this. So I'm not applying lime juice for this chicken, making it in Goan style. So I'm adding vinegar, so around 4 of this size teaspoon. And we'll add this powder to this homemade clean wash. So I'm adding around 4 of this. And now let's mix this. Nicely. Further procedure I will show you. So I'm going to make like a little bit of like chicken Amsol, you can say. Okay, so but sukha. So here, let this go in the pan. Now, as I'm trying, this is like Amsol, so I'm adding this tamarind, little bit of pulp, that is like 1 small ball of tamarind. Little bit of water. Then these are 2 onions, will go in this, and these are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of kokum petals, and these are 2 onions, and chilies, Kashmiri chilies, and I will be using for this little bit of curry leaves. For flavor. Now let's cook this. No oil. Let this cook with its own this on a low flame till the chicken is done. So here it is. So I've added like हे हांवें कोंकणीन सांगना तांकां सांगता. सो 2 ऑनियन्स हे कातरून घातल्या, 2 ऑनियन्स, 2 मिरसांग्यो हे तोडून घातल्या, इल्ली करी पत्ता घातल्या आनी आमसाणीचे एक धाकटो बोल आमसाणीचें उदक घातलां. तेल ना, उदक ना. आतां हे खतखतो येता, आवाज येता, तो हांव ताका स्लो करतली. ओके, सो नो ऑयल, नो वॉटर. Now we'll make it slow and let it get cooked till the chicken is nicely cooked. I don't know before if my video was paused or something. That's why I repeated this. Sometimes it happens like when you are busy. And for my viewers, if I had missed it, then again I want to repeat it. I have taken 2 onions like this chop, like how you use for Amsol. 2 Kashmiri chilies I have broken into pieces. Few curry leaves I put, that is like for extra flavor, and 1 ball of tamarind pulp. Okay, so I have soaked it with around 3 tablespoons of water, and after that I squeezed that tamarind and then I added this to this. Hope it is clear. You can also comment on the view if I have missed it before. That's why I repeated this. Otherwise I mostly try not to repeat anything. Otherwise in comments they say that I repeat again. It's not because I want to make the videos long, but I see that I explain everything so that you don't miss what I cook. I show you all exactly same recipe how I cook for my family, and I have reached out to your kitchen. ओके, हांव हितून कांयच लिपोवन दवरना. एक्चुली केन्नाय हांव रिपीट करता जाल्यार तुमकां सांगपाक की बाबा हांव अशें करता आनी केन्नाय चुकता, व्हिडिओ बा बंद उरता आनी मागीर चुकता जाल्यार मागीर रिपीट करचें पडटा. हांव हें रिपीट करिना फॉर व्हिडिओज व्यूज व्हडले जावपाक न्हू, तशें कांय ना. आनी म्हाजें डायरेक्ट हांव जें पळय म्हाज्या गोच्च्याक रांदता, म्हाज्या घोवाक आनी म्हाजे धुवेक आनी म्हाज्या फॅमिलीक जें रांदता तेंच तुमकां ही रेसिपी हांव दाखयतां. सो कमेंटान केन्ना केन्ना म्हणटा की हांव व्हडले व्हिडिओ आनी व्यूवाक लागून आनी एका लागून. सो दॅट्स वाय. ओके, सो विदाउट वॉटर ते कितलें उदक सुटलां. बिनागी आहा न्हू तितून, इल्लें आमसाणीचें उदक आहा, सो तेका लागून. तर म्हणटा की तुमकां हें गोंयचें चिकन सुकें आमसोल बरें लागतलें. दुकोर आमसोल एकदम बरें लागता, पोक आमसोल एकदम बरें लागता. सो आनी गोवन सांबार मसालाचें लिंक हांव डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्सान तुमकां घालून सोडटली. 2-3 भशेचे आसा ते हांव घालतां. तुमच्यान मागीर ते करूं येता वो इकतें हाडून घालूं येता, ते तुमचेर आसा. ओके, पोक आमसोलाची रेसिपी हांव डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्सान घालतां ह्या व्हिडिओचेर. ओके, तर करून घेवया. तर हे बरे भशेन शिजोवया. अरावंड 40 मिनिट्स तरी शिजोवया, कित्याक हें आमकां सुकें जाय. सो हियर इट्स रेडी. चिकन आमसोल इज रेडी. सुकें चिकन आमसोल गोवन is ready, and this much I think so we need if we are eating it with bread or something. But if you want to still want it like sukka, very sukka, then continue to cook this and it will be open. Then don't close it, open and it's done. तर हे जाले आमचे तयार. आतां आमचे क्रिसमसाक खावपाक या न्यू इयराक या हुंचे फिस्ट आमचे चिकन आमसोल सुकें चिकन तयार आसा. आनी इतलो बरो अरोमा येता. देव बरें करून मानता की तुमकां हें सगल्यांक आवडटलें आनी तुमी हें करतलीं आनी एन्जॉय करतलीं. ओके, थँक्यू. बरे भशेन सर्व करून बरे भशेन खायात. हांव म्हाजो फोटो घालतली मागीर कशें सर्व करता पळय ते. पळय तशें सर्व केला. So this is how it looks, and enjoy your chicken Amsol. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. Bye. आता हांव व्हिडिओ बंद करता. So I am done. Hope you all will enjoy. Please do mention me in comment box and share to your friends this recipe. Make your occasion grand.